Hello guys, it's me and Char back with another video. Hey Squirt, have you built a boat? Oh, okay. Let me build the boat then. Hey, not blue. Nah, just keep it blue then. There we go. Alright, there's one there. Don't worry, dude. Okay, we're gonna need one of these and one of them, so we both can control the boat. And this is for extra protection. Okay, so we don't fall off the boat and go crashing. Yeah, that sucks. Do they? Wait, does it even cost any gold? I don't know what these are, but they look fun. Okay, sit. Right, are we ready? Oh god, oops. Right here. Whoa, wait, what the hell happened? Ooh. Wait, what do we do? Squirt, 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 no! Squirt, 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 come back. Dude, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Squirt! Squirt, no! Why did you jump off? Okay, go to the... See if you can... Wait, wait. Wait, it won't let me control it anymore. Um... Okay. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Squirt, no. Squirt, just die. Just die, dude. Just die and come back. Squirt, just die and come back. Yeah, I died. Just die again, dude. Like, oh god. Okay, can I get this? No. Paint it red? Okay. No, paint it orange. I don't like red. Red's just the color of my tail. I said orange. Yeah. Move! Dude, move your fat hands. Dude, the extra fat. I don't know what's orange. Orange is a color. Yeah, orange is just a color, you know. Okay, just paint it red or yellow. Oh, this one might be very terrible, but you know. Hey, just take a seat, dude. That's orange. Yeah, that is orange. What are you talking about, dude? That's orange. Alright, come have a seat. Have a seat, have a seat. Don't worry about colors. Alright. You sitting? Now let's go. Let's go. Wee! Oh my god, it's always that one block that just falls off. Cause I'm not. Uh. Okay. Oh well, let's just, at least it's going slow. So we don't fall. No, don't, Free. Don't do it. Don't squirt, don't. Just don't do it. Cause then you'll get trapped there, and I'll be over here like, dude, come back. Oh no, don't. Oh my God, that bacon, dude. I don't know, dude. But like, hey, look, we didn't stop at the blue base this time. That's good. Alright, there's someone right behind us. Huh. Sus. That's very sus. Sus. You are acting very sus. I thought you were a turtle, dude. Dude, I thought you was turtle. Swim. Swim. I thought you was turtle. I don't want to touch water. I'll die, because I'll die straight away. Like in 5 seconds, dude. Let's go. Sit down by the fire. Look, there's a boat. It's acting very sus. Sus. How is it going very fast? You know? Maybe they're not sitting there. Oh my God, it's going so fast. No. Come back, come back. No, no. It's way too fast. No. That was so fast, dude. Like, it just... Oh my God. No, I can build. I have... How much gold do you have? So we both have the exact same. Okay, maybe we don't need seats this time, okay? Because we go fast, don't we? We go super fast, like Lightning McQueen on an escalator. It's going up. So silly. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm not gonna put seats. How do we get loads of gold? Oh, okay. You, oh, okay. Wait, move. I said move. Okay, I guess you're not coming on the boat then. But you don't want to. You jumped off. You said, yeet. Wait, this is going to protect us, right? Uh, okay, let's just finish this off. Right, now we should be okay. Oh wait, I'm forgetting. Move! Move! We don't need to die, then we'll just fall out. I hope you know that. Squirt, can you actually stop? You're like real fat. Right, get in. Look, get in. Bye. We going on a trip. Oh my God, like those two people very fast. Like they're in the lead. Look at them. No, squirt, no, squirt, no. Squirt. I can't leave without you, bruv. Squirt, no. Squirt. Squirt. No. No. Okay, squirt. This is really annoying, you know. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna wrap the video up there. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next video, guys. And bye.